Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be modeling the process of photosynthesis. Okay? So let's first start with our setting. So this would be taking place inside a plant cell, right? And inside the plant cell are these different organelles, right? You could have a nucleus, you could have a mitochondria, and this green thing right here, this is going to be inside the plant cell and it's going to be our chloroplast. So this is where photosynthesis is going to happen. Okay, so let's first start with our ingredients, our reactants. Right, so we need water, we need carbon dioxide, and we're going to need sunlight. Right? So then the next question is, well, where do these reactants come from? Where do each of these reactants come from? All right, so the water is going to come from the roots of the plant. All right? Carbon dioxide is going to come from the atmosphere. And this is just a little bit more of a detail, but there's these tiny microscopic holes in the leaves that the carbon dioxide is going to move in through. Right? So that's how carbon dioxide is going to get here. And then finally, sunlight is just going to penetrate the leaves, go through the plant cell, and then hit the chloroplast. So solar energy just goes right to the plant. Right, so now that we have our reactants, right, what's going to happen is that the atoms of these molecules are going to break apart, and the energy is going to help them recombine, right, to make our products. So our products are going to be glucose. This is the whole point of doing photosynthesis, is to make this molecule. Right? And there's really two purposes for glucose. Right? The first one is going to be for energy. Right? The plants are going to want to use the glucose for energy right away. They might even store it too, maybe in the roots. But the first purpose is energy for glucose. Right? The second purpose is structure. So this glucose could become the building blocks, the bricks that make up the structure of the stem, the structure of the leaves, the structure of the bark. Right? And then we also have one other product from photosynthesis, and that's going to be oxygen. And so then the question is, well, where did the products go afterwards? Well, we already said what glucose is going to do. Plants are going to use it for energy, or they're going to use it for its structure. And oxygen, the plant doesn't want that oxygen at all. So just like the carbon dioxide went through these small microscopic holes into the plant, the oxygen is going to go out of the plant afterwards. And then that just leaves and goes into the atmosphere. And that's good because that's what we breathe in.